This is our chapter 5, circular figures. So we have do these activities in the software GeoGebra, right? Are you remembering that? Okay, so how can we open GeoGebra? Yes, applications, education, GeoGebra. We can open that. Applications, educations, then GeoGebra. Okay, so while opening we can see the grid lines. Okay, grid lines can be hide or shown. How can we show or hide the grid? Yes, by clicking on the tool. What is the name of that tool? Show or hide grid tool. What is the name? Show or hide grid tool. Okay, so underline this. The name of the tool is show or hide grid tool. Okay, this is the grids. So now I am going to hide the grid. How can we hide it? Yes, you can just click on that. Now the grids are hidden. Okay, how can we show that? Just click on that icon once more. Okay, so the grids were shown. Okay, so click show or hide grid tool in the tool panel to use grids in GeoGebra. Okay, what happens if you are clicking twice? Yes, it will be hidden. If I am clicking once more, it will be shown. Okay, now let us draw circles with the same center and a different radius. Okay, same center and different radius. Which software or which tool we can use from the GeoGebra? Yes, circle with a center through point. Okay, circle with a center through point tool. Okay, you have to remember the picture of that tool. This is the circle with the center through point. Now I am selecting that and drawing a circle with the center. Okay, now so I have drawn the circle. Now click on any point on the surface for the center of the circle. It can be drawn with accuracy if the point intersects with the grid. Okay, now I have marked the point when two lines are intersecting here. Okay, now I have clicked on another suitable point through which the circle can pass. This is the second point. Okay, now draw circles with a different radii without changing the center point. Okay, I am going to draw one more circle without changing the center. Okay, second circle, then third circle. Likewise, we can draw lot of circles. So, what is the radius of the first circle? Here, yes, these lines is considered as 1 centimeter. Okay, so the radius of first circle is 1 centimeter. What is the diameter? Yes, 1 plus 1, 2 centimeter. Then what is the radius of second circle? 1 plus 1, 2. Diameter 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What is the radius of third circle? 1, 2, 3. And diameter is 6. Okay. Now, dear children, this is about first activity. Next we can go to second activity, that is mathematical floral carpet. You can draw a floral carpet like this. For that we are using the tool circle with the center and radius. Okay, circle with the center and radius. Okay, so I am selecting circle with the center and radius tool. For that we can open another window for GeoGebra. Select circle with center and radius. This is the image for circle with the center and radius. You have to identify both by looking at the pictures. Okay. So first draw a circle here, giving the radius, and I am giving the radius as 2. Okay, next click on any point in the circle. Okay, you have to click on any point in the circle and give the same radius again. Now I am clicking here and I am giving the same radius, that is 2 again. Okay, so we have drawn 2 circles. Now draw a circle of the same radius at the point of intersection of the 2 circles. Here is the intersection of 2 circles. Here is also, you can see the intersection of 2 circles. Now I am clicking here and giving the same radius as 2. Here also you can give. Okay. Draw all the circles and complete the figure. Okay. Now we can draw all the circles by giving the radius, same radius, that is 2. Okay. Likewise, we can draw the floral carpet. Now, dear children, we can add the colors to the circles. Okay. So, right click on the circle. You can right click on the circle. Now, select object properties. Okay, so write the steps to color. Add the color to circles means what is the answer? First of all, right click on the circle, then select object properties. This is the object properties. Now we can make it attractive by selecting suitable colors by clicking on the color tab. This is the color tab. Okay, so color tab is in which menu? Object properties. Okay, so this is the color tab. By clicking on this, you can select the color. Here you can increase the opacity to fill the color. Okay, see, likewise you can fill the color. Okay, okay, these are all about adding colors to the circles. Now, dear children, you can see few more tools in your textbook. Okay, methods of drawing circles. GeoGebra shows many ways to draw circles. What is this? We studied this tool, that is circle with a center through point. Then second one is circle with the center and radius. Then what about this tool? You have to remember the icon of this tool. This is the compass tool. Okay, what is the use of compass tool? Giving center and length of radius. Okay, giving center and length of radius is used by compass tool. Okay, next is circle through 3 points. This is the icon for circle through 3 points. What is the use of that? Using 3 points through which the circle passes. Okay, so these are all about chapter 5. You have to study this chapter. Also, you have to study chapter 6. Okay, chapter 6 is My Malayalam. You have to study chapter 5 and chapter 6 for your examination. Okay, if you are having doubts, you can contact me, and study well, prepare well for your examination. All the best, dear children. Thank you.